I think the impact that my students and I together have on the world is hopefully the greatest impact, right? Like us in it together, let's beat the system, let's take down the man, let's just take over. I can use that worldview and that angry middle school angsty approach, and I can teach them a lot of words. Like I can trick them into learning a lot of great vocabulary and working harder on their writing than they thought they were going to, or writing a paper that was above grade level. My kids need to know so much stuff that they don't know. And so if I'm not taking every second of every minute to get them there, it's not okay. And I tell them, you guys should dock my paycheck. If you did not get smarter this period, how many people didn't get smarter? It's about $11 a day for you to sit here. Okay, all right, that looks like $22. Okay, we'll tell downtown. For me, living with the difference between what I know my students need and what they're gonna get, that's excruciating. And that goes on year after year after year. And I know I can make the next 65 minutes really great, pretty darn great most of the time. And so I feel like it's just, it's an all-out sprint to make those 65 minutes what they need to be. I know without a shadow of a doubt that the cure to cancer is in my room, right? Some Nobel Peace Prize winner is sitting in my room. So it's my job to make them be able to communicate in a way that the mainstream society, who for too long has disregarded them, can hear what they're saying. I hope they remember that I taught my ass off. I hope they remember that I was not there for a paycheck, that I was not there for the summers off, that I came correct and I came full force each day. I hope they remember that I left it all on the field. I left it all in the classroom, and that I always had their best interests at heart, and I was willing to work until I couldn't work anymore to make them smarter.